If you want to isolate x, you get 0.03x from the given, okay? It's equal to 30 minus 4p. Divide by 0.03, so we get 30 minus over 0.03. Now you can simplify it more, but no need even, no need. There's no question about that simplification. You can, but no need. Now this is a function in P, finish, okay? That is A. Part B, express revenue as a function of P. Okay, which is okay, good, because what is your revenue, by the way? Revenue can be expressed in two ways, right? As a function in X or as a function in P, because revenue is quantity times price. Quantity is X, the price is a P. Now that can be expressed just for a background, because sometimes if you express it all in X, so this would be a revenue in X. If you express this all in P, then it is a revenue in P. Either way, okay, they ask you here to make it as a function in P. So it should be all in P. Okay, we don't need this. To make it a function in P, then this is the P there. It's okay. So all you have to do, just bring that X, put it in. That would be all a function in P. So what's wrong with it? So we have 30 minus 40p over, this is my X, times P. This is my revenue, a function in P. I am done. Now, we need a little simplification, I prefer, because next we want to do the elasticity, so you need to do derivative. Okay, now we do elasticity, right? So we do the derivative for the function. So that I need not even. We don't need the R to be simplified even. But if you want to simplify your R, that is your denominator, 1 over 0.03. Okay. So you multiply those together, you get 30p minus 40p squared. Okay.
Where did the 1 over 0.03 come from?
That deno is for all, so I can kick it to the beginning. That I can put it right here, 1 over. Okay. If you want to simplify it more even, that can be 30 over 40 over. But no need if you want to simplify. No need to simplify. That you can leave it. This is your revenue. Anyhow, that B is done. Okay. We don't need it even in elasticity. So part C, elasticity has the rule, which is minus P times the derivative of the function in P over itself, the function itself. Okay. Now we go back to elasticity. Where is it? To X element. So let me copy. How much is your F prime? Copy. How much is your F prime?
18p.
If that is my
negative.
function, so my derivative would be what? So be careful that the denominator you don't touch. That is there. So 1 over 0.03 we don't touch. Deriving 30 is 0. Deriving that as a letter names, you get minus 40. So this is only minus 40. That's it. This is your F prime. Okay. Now, no need even to simplify it. Keep it. You know why? Because there is simplification happens in the elasticity. So we get minus P times this derivative, which is simply 1 over 0.03, and this is minus 40, okay, divided by F, which is 30 minus 40p over 0.03. Which one cancels? The denominators would be canceled. Those are away. That's it. Minus times minus is a plus, so I have 40p divided by 30 minus 40p. Now teachers like those to be simplified. I mean, if this is expressed on the board, they would like to take the number beside. So they divide by 40 up and down. Okay, so let me write it once. Divide by 40 up and down for simplicity of the elasticity. Then the P would remain. If the 40 is over, you want to divide by every number. Okay, so that would be minus P. Now 30 over 40, it would be 3 over 4, which is 0.75. Now you can keep it 3 over 4, you can write it 0.75, right? So this is your elasticity anyhow, in simple form. Now we don't have any more application. There is no price given to figure out your elasticity. But usually there's an extra question. Let's say for D, they say if the price, for example, equals $5, let's say, okay, plug it in, figure out your, no, not to get it negative. The price here is something and less than 0.75 should be, let's say $0.5. Okay, figure out your elasticity if it is bigger than 1 or less than 1 to be inelastic or elastic. If there's a question that way, you can figure out your E. If E bigger than 1, elastic, less inelastic, equal 1, unit elasticity. Okay?